Contacts in ShootQ can include anybody from clients to vendors to referral sources. To add a new contact, simply click the Create New button under the Contacts tab and choose Contact, then fill in the appropriate fields. Only first and last name are required. The other fields are optional. After saving your information, the contact's profile is created. And you can always edit and add to their information like this. You can also view their jobs, documents, invoices, emails, activity, and notes, and you can perform certain actions within a contact's profile, including sending emails and creating jobs. If you ever need to export the contact's information, click the Export vCard button. Finally, you can also archive a contact so that they no longer appear in your active contact list.